UID stands for Unique Identifier. It's like coordinates instead of a name for your files. No matter where you move them, Godot can still find them. And the benefit of this is that preloads and paths to files won't break. So if I, for example, had a variable, and let's just call this player, and this is equal to a preload of the player. And if I, for example, change the path of this preload will break and it won't work. So if I, for example, print player, and it prints a packed scene, because this is what it is. But if I change the path of the player, let's say I just drag it into the scripts instead. It's technically in the scripts folder instead of the scenes folder. If I run the game now, it should actually crash, and so it does, because that path doesn't actually exist. So a fix to this is UIDs, and to get a UID, you right click on the file and you do copy UID, and then you can paste it wherever you want to. And you have to have quotation marks before and after. And now, no matter how much you change the path, let's say I move it to root, it will still work. I have to run the game again and it won't crash, no matter how much I move it. The only downside I can see from this is that when you're reading the code, it's not that easy to know what kind of path it is. But if you hover over it, you can see the real path. And if you're coming from an old project and upgrading to Godot 4, you have to go to project and tools, and here you can upgrade the project to use UIDs. This one is already upgraded, but if you restart and upgrade, it will look something like this, and it resaves all the objects and gives them UIDs. Yeah, there's not that much more to it. It fixes a problem and introduces another problem. But I think the problem it fixes is bigger than the problem it creates. And maybe it's not really a problem that it creates. It's more a personal problem I have. Thanks for watching, and special thanks to my members. For source code, custom videos or coaching, check out my Ko-Fi, and I'll see you in the next one.